In the last class, we have already studied about certain rules and certain properties of exponents related with integers. Today, we will discuss about the same property and the same rule related with rational number. Suppose we have two rational numbers, non-zero rational number a and b, such that a by b raised to the power m into a by b raised to the power n. Here, in the last class, we have studied about the integers, but in this class we will study about the rational number, where a and b are two non-zero rational number. So the same property or the same activities will be applied over here, and in this way we will get a by b raised to the power m plus n. A by b raised to the power m plus n. Let us suppose we have a rational number minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. So these are the two rational numbers related with multiplications. So we will follow this rule. We will follow this rule. So here it will be minus 3 by 2 plus minus 1. 2 plus minus 1. And in this case, we will get minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 1. We will get minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 1. Same process, same rules will be applied for division methods, multiplication and power to the powers, like a by b raised to the power n whole raised to the power n will be equal to a by b raised to the power m into n. Same process will be applied for whole rational number. Same process, same rule will be applied for whole rational number. Now today we will discuss about some examples related with the properties of exponent. Properties of exponent. Now let us see some examples, some related examples. Suppose we have a quotient 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 divided by 4 raised to the power minus 1. Here the two properties are using at the same time, that is multiplication and the division. Now reciprocal of any number will be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. Because we know that power should be positive. Now, what we will get here? 1 by 10 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4. Divided by 1 by 4. Now, eliminating this minus 1 power, we get 10. We get 10. Now, this division sign will change into multiplication sign, and 1 by 4 will become reciprocal, that is 4, and the result will be 40. The result will be 40. So what we have seen here? What we have seen here? So different types of properties, different types of activities we have used here for multiplication and the division. For multiplication we have get the reciprocal of 2 and 5, and in this way we get the final result, which is 40. Which is 40. Now let us see some another example. Very important for examination point of view. Suppose we have minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 2. Again it is whole raised to the power minus 1. A by b raised to the power m raised to the power n raised to the power p. So what we will do here is minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Because we know that a raised to the power m raised to the power n, so it will become a raised to the power m into n. So what we will get? 1 by 3 raised to the power 2 to the 4, 4 1 4 plus minus. So it is plus sign, because minus into minus will be plus. So what we will get? minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 by 3 3 are 9, 9 9 81. So it is minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 4. 2 2 are 4, 4 1 are 4. Minus into minus will be plus. So we get ultimate power 4. We will get ultimate power 4. So the result will be 1 by 81. Now let us see some another example. Suppose we have a number 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. So we have here another example, 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1. What we will change is 2 like that, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 divided by reciprocal, it will be 3 by 2. It will be 3 by 2. Now get the LCM of this 4 and 8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is equal to 8. 4 2 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 plus 8 1 ja 1, 8, that is 1 1 ja 1 divided by 3 by 2. The next step will be 3 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. Now this division sign will be changed into multiplication sign and 3 by 2 will be changed into its multiplicative inverse. So it will be 3 by 8 into 2 by 3. It will be, so 3 will be eliminate one another and it will be 1 by 4. Ultimate result will be 1 by 4. Ultimate result will be 1 by 4. So we have seen here the properties related with the exponent was like that, and using that property we are just solving the problem related with the exponent. Now let us see some another important examples. Suppose we have to find, we have a number 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. Find the value of x. So here is the question, for what value of x? 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 will be equal to 125. So we have to find the value of x first. So what we will write here is 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. Now transpose this division 25 to the right side. What will we get? 2x plus 1 will be equal to 125 multiplied by 25. This division will change into multiplication in the right side. So in the next step, 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 will be equal to 5 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power 3, that is 125. 5 raised to the power 2, that is 25. Now in the last step, 5 raised to the power 2x plus 1 will be equal to 5 raised to the power 3 plus 2, that is 5. Properties of exponent. First property of exponent, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So a raised to the power m plus n. Here the base are same. So ignoring the base, ignoring the base, we will get 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. 2x plus 1 is equal to 5, or 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So for the value of x which is equal to 2, our this property will be satisfied. So whenever x is equal to 2, this property, this example will be verified. So this one was another example of our exponent. In the next lecture we will describe about the bigger number and smaller number, representation of bigger number and representation of smaller number, and some another example of exponent. So thank you.